So here I am, Leroy of Coconuts, Mangoes, and Coffee. Bounced down here to Coriacea, one of my favorite spots. It's right here on the coast. You can see it's got the Xfinity pool. We've got some other videos out of this place. Yeah, sometimes you head out the door here during this season, which is the rainy season. And yeah, the storm hits, and all you can do is just pull into the closest place, and the closest place here is this place. So, but really cool place, and great place to hang out. But yeah, nobody can get in here now. I'm got the whole place to myself. So there you go. Hmm. So yeah, long-term fave place to go, and but yeah, nobody's getting in here now. So major storm going on. It is the rainy season here in Thailand, so yeah, that's what you get. But no, it's warm tropical rain, so you can get out and cruise on your motor scooter, bicycle, whatever. As you can see here, everybody still gets out there. It doesn't stop anything, but it's a cool place to hang out here. So, Coriacea, right here, just north of the Phuket Airport in Thailand here in Mai Khao, Thailand. So great place to hang out.